Good day, everyone. Today I will be presenting our business proposal entitled Lutong Bahay Express. This business focuses on providing homemade style meals na fresh, masarap at abot kaya. The members of the group include Dennis Nacario, and this presentation will cover our business concept, objective products, marketing strategies, budget, and our conclusions. Business overview and objectives. Lutong Bahay Express is a home-based food delivery service that focuses on providing Filipino comfort food. Our goal is to serve busy student, workers, and families na naghahanap ng affordable at convenient na pagkain. For our objective, first we aim to react 30 orders per day within the first 3 months. Second, we plan to grow our social media presence to 1,000 Facebook followers within 6 months. And lastly, we target a 20% profit margin by the end of the first year. Product service or means product include daily mail boxes, perfect para sa mga estudyante at office worker na naghahanap ng complete meal. Family ulam trays, ideal for sharing sa bahay or sa small gatherings, and weekly meals. Subscriptions para sa customer na gusto ng consistent and hassle-free daily food. Lahat ng ito ay inspired by homemade cooking, fresh, delicious, and budget-friendly. Marketing plan summary. For our marketing plan, the focus will be on building online presence. Una, gagamit kami ng Facebook promotions at magpo-post ng daily menus. Magbibigay rin kami ng referral promos at discount vouchers to attract more customers. We will distribute flyers near school, dorms, and workplaces. And lastly, magpo-post kami ng customers review to build trust and show the quality of our food. Budget and sales card. This slide shows our projected budget and expected sales. It includes the estimated cost for equipment and credits, utilities, and marketing. Makikita rin dito ang sales forecast para sa first month of operation. This financial plan will help us monitor expenses and ensure that the business stay profitable. Conclusions. In conclusion, Lutong Bahay Express has a strong potential to success. There is a high demand for affordable and homemade meals, especially for students and workers. Our marketing strategy focuses on social media, which is effective and low cost. We also offer consistent quality and reasonable pricing. And with scalable products like ulam, trays, and weekly subscription, the business has room to grow. Thank you for listening, and we hope you like our business presentations.